Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to install a Dpod on-demand license on a Brocade VDX-6740. So this is the unit. Let me show you the unit that we have and the license information. So on here you type show license and give you which license are installed on the unit. So as we can see right here, we don't have no license on the unit, so we can execute show Dpod dynamic port on demand to get more details about the license. So basically this is a 48 port unit, and 4 ports, they are 40 gigabyte. So I will try to explain how to generate the license. I already have the license file, so I don't need to generate the license, but I will show you a document that I have, which is very specific how to go to Extreme Network website and how to generate the license and which information you really need in order to get the license for the Brocade VDX. So basically there is 2 different ways to get the license ID. So one is show license ID. That gives you this particular number right here. But sometimes you need more specific information. So in order to get that, you need to go into the bash command prompt, and you go like on high FOSS CND password. The password, let me show you what's the password here. I have a document, this one right here. This is the password. So you go there and then enter the password, and then go FOSS bash command. There, license show ID. License ID show. There we go. So this is, as you can see, this one is exactly this information right here, but we have another number right there. So sometimes you need both of them, but in this case I just need the license ID. So if you go to the how to generate the license, that is the exactly, you need to go to the website, to the Extreme Network website, and then from there let me show you, please. Sorry about that. Okay, right here I have this document right here which explain very the different way to get the license information. Go to the Extreme Network website with username and password, and right there you go to this particular area right here, and you need, once you purchase the license, they will provide a voucher number. When you have the voucher number, that's one specific information that you need. So you enter the voucher number right there next, and then after that you enter the voucher number and the hardware serial or license ID, which is the information that we already have in here, right? This one. So you enter the information right there, submit, and then you generate the license. So you will get like an XML file like this one right here. The file look like this one. I recommend don't modify. If you edit that particular document, don't modify anything, but you will get that. So once you get that, you can download the file, and then start to install the license. I mean, different way to install the license. Let me show you. For example, right here, exit, license, add. 3 different ways. One is using a FTP server from your network, a secure copy protocol, which is basically the same thing. You need like a TFTP server in order to transfer the image file to boot flash or flash, and the license stream. So I have the license stream already with me, so I will use that in order to install the license. As we can see, we don't have any license on the unit. So let me license ID and then let me get that particular information that I have in here. So I have the license string number, paste, enter. So that installed a license. Not sure exactly which license is that, but let me go check. You can check with show license, of course. If that was the 2-port, 40 gig, okay. So meaning that probably the unit came with the 2-port license, 40 gig. Let me see. Yes, as we can see right here, look. Right there, this part right here, very important to check, and understand how that one, how the license works. For example, in my case, I installed a 2-port license, meaning that on the switch, there was already a 2-port already on the switch. So I basically installed the other 2 ports, 2-port 40 gig license, upgrade license is here. So now I have 4 ports already there. So what else I need? I need to activate the license to activate the 48 10 gig ports. This one right here. So I have the other license string number right here to activate those ports. License, add the license string, and the license string number right there. Enter. So basically, look, you already add the other license, show license, and there we go. We installed, the 10-port upgrade license. So right now we have a license valid right here for 48 10 gig ports and the 2-port upgrade license. So show Dpod, which show me, the more details about the license information. So now I have 48 port 48 assignment and provisioning to use on the switch. 48 port assignment and provisioning by the 10-port upgrade license. So I have 48 port active now and 4 port 40 gig. So what's next? How did you reserve or assign the port to a license? So let me show you. You need to execute this command interface by interface. So you cannot, for example, select a range or a specific interface, for example, 1 to 48, and execute everything in just one simple command. It's not possible. In other Brocade units, yes, you can do that, but not in this mode. So basically, you need to go to configure terminal, to the configuration mode, and then Dpod the interface number 1.0.49, and then I type reserve. Enter. So that is how you assign the port to a license. So I have 4 ports right there, and I will do the 4 ports, 50, the 51, and the 52. So right now I already assigned the 40 ports to that license. So show Dpod, and look at that. So we already assigned the port to the particular license. 2 ports were assigned to the base license. This license comes with the switch. I just upgraded other 2 ports for the upgrade license. So now I have already assigned the port. The same thing you can do with the 10 gig ports, for example, right? Let's do that. And then you go to Dpod, the interface number 1.0.1 reserve. How about the 2? Let's do 5 of them. 3, 4, and 5. There we go. So and show dynamic port on demand. As we already assigned the 5 interfaces to the upgrade 10 gig port license right there. How do you remove it? So how do you remove that? Same thing. Configure the terminal, Dpod, release. Oh, so you need to execute chassis first. You want to remove that particular interface from the license. Chassis disable. This command right here first. Oh, need to exit from here. Chassis disable. Yes. Okay. That basically put all interface offline. So basically you need to go back to the configuration mode and then execute the command release. See? And show Dpod. And as we can see, we already removed that port from the assignment to the 10 port 10 gig license upgrade. So we already removed the license from there. So that's basically how did you generate the license. You know, when you go to the Extreme website, you enter information right there with the voucher number, the license ID number. I already show you how to get that information from the switch, going to the batch prompt, and then use the show ID, license ID show, to get the information. And that is basically how do you install the license using the license stream number, and how do you reserve the ports to the switch license. Well, thank you so much for your time, and I really appreciate it. I will see you, in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.